So, may mga activity ako sa science din, sa math activity naman yun. Maraming certificate ako nakuha at napadala sa seminar and training also. Kasi matapos ko yung ating doctorate degree. So, biglaan naman mag-retire yung ating math supervisor. Ako yung master teacher noon eh. So, from teacher 1, nag-jump ako to master teacher 1. Pwede pa yun noon eh. Ngayon,
Pwede pa noon.
Oo, kasi during that time, wala pa yung tinatawag na salary rate lang dapat ang i-gusto. Noon, pwede ka mag-jump as far as master teacher. So, from T1, nag-jump ako to Master Teacher 1 for the reason na ang ating qualification at saka yung mga activities doon sa Master Teacher, yung MEC orders 1981, something like that, no? Yun yung ginagamit, yung criteria na yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Marami akong data, papers na nakuha plus demo teaching, division, school, and regional level also. So, sa madaling salita, nakuha ko yung item position nung pagiging supervisor from Master Teacher 1 to Jump 2 Supervisor. So, Teacher 1, salary grade 10 lang noon, ma'am. Ngayon 11 eh.
Yes.
Salary grade 10. So, okay lang kasi magkwento muna ako.
Yes, sir.